Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the VoskCoin YouTube channel. On VoskCoin, we focus a lot about passive income and cryptocurrency, but today we're going to be looking at earning money in crypto in a different way than normal. We're going to be looking at taking profits and trading. We're going to be looking at some trading, some basic trading concepts, what to use, and then also a very interesting script that is proven historically to be profitable. So we're going to run it through all that today, as well as the CVP13 FPGA winner. So 10 seconds of tails, the best Shiba in the world, and then the intro. I've gotten some questions about this recently. Sorry, I apologize that the winner was announced late, but the giveaway for the CVP13 FPGA cryptocurrency mining board card. Okay, so this is a liquid cooled FPGA card, retails for $5,500. We opened up a giveaway in conjunction with Bitware for this, and the winner, Joshua B, has been chosen, selected. I sent him an email. I said, hey man, not a scam, you won the VoskCoin giveaway, because you know that's just a lot of scams floating around, people impersonating us on Instagram, Facebook, I don't know, everywhere. Just a lot. We're being targeted by scammers pretty hard. They've made a fake cloud mining site around VoskCoin called VoskCoins, which is a scam. Anyway, he's got 72 hours to go ahead and reply and accept that. I asked for nothing from him other than his shipping information. Today, again, we're going to be talking trading, which I'm not here to mislead you. I am no trading guru, okay? I have a lot to learn, and I'm going to try to learn and record it, share with you guys, and hopefully some of us can learn together, or you can laugh at me because I just may have a lot to learn. So today's trading script all revolves around TradingView. Okay, so this is pretty much the most popular trading site out there, charting site. So you can go ahead and follow the link in the video description below to sign up. There is an affiliate link. It's not a sponsored thing from TradingView. Once you get signed up and signed in, you're gonna need to pick the project that you would like to use this script on, which is anything you'd like to apply it to. So let's go Ethereum USD. We're also going to talk about Bitcoin USD, and you can go ahead and add really whatever you would like to do here. Before we get started, I want to show you guys a couple quick adjustments that I made. Okay, so first off, I'm going to the settings and I'm changing the background. I'm on the light theme and the background should be white, and I'm removing all the grids because I just find them distracting at my novice level of trading here. And I'm also removing vertical and horizontal grid lines there. If you'd like to adjust the colors of the candle wicks here or anything like that, you can click on symbol. I already clicked on it, and you can come right here to adjust anything that you'd like to do. I actually like when they're inverted as opposed to just all being the same color here. So we're not going to mess with stuff too much like that in today's video, so I'm just going to go ahead and invert those colors. For the purpose of today's video and indicator tool, we're going to be using a 4-hour chart. And from here, so let's talk about the indicator and just kind of what that is. So it's by Captializ, or Captializ if you're fancies. So basically it's all about making a good ROI. Obviously you can't guarantee anything, but they say average 5% gain in the daily mode. And just like your parents always told you they were right more than 51% of the time. Again, it's a financial indicator and it works on the TradingView platform, which is why we just went over those TradingView basics. And if you're wondering about the pricing, it's $86 a month, $421 for the year, or $568 for 2 years. The cool part about their subscription plan is that you can pay with popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and you can also even check out with PayPal if you don't trust sending them cryptocurrency. When you sign up to try for free, it's going to take up to 72 hours because it's all manually verified, but after that you get a week of free access using their trading indicator. Huge shout out to Captializ for sponsoring today's video. I have a link out to this chart with their indicator loaded in it, and you can click that link and check it out and find some more information there if you're interested in doing so, or you want to learn more about it or get involved with their system or so forth. But let's talk more about just exactly how do you use it anyway. Again, TradingView account, got to create it, got to connect it. After that, you should be able to connect your accounts and then load the Captializ indicator. Once it is associated with your account, you can click on the indicator sign, go down to invite only, and from here you can see I have the Captializ.io average indicator from Julian. Once I click that, it will immediately load into my chart here. It's an algorithmic script that they have created that is right more than 51% of the time, apparently. As you can see in the chart, it's giving you buy and sell recommendations to increase your holdings here, whether your aim is to increase your Satoshis, or how many Bitcoins you have, or get your Ethereum up, or you just want more US dollars. So let's take the buy recommendation here. You probably bought in somewhere between $223 and $225. And if you took the next sell recommendation, you're selling between, $247 down to like $243 or so, most likely if you're watching the charts. So even after exchange fees, you're probably clearing about $20 just on this trade of one Ethereum alone. Which, keep in mind, if you took that trade on July 5th, and then you took that sell on July 9th, in just 4 days, you'd hit about 10% without doing anything other than just following this basic chart. One thing of note here, when you do analyze this chart, is that you will see a buy is always followed by a sell. Okay, so buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So right now, we're approaching that sell indicator. And right now, that trajectory, it still believes to be a bullish trajectory. And once this indicator believes that it's turning bearish, you'll notice the red line, it's going to indicate a sell to you. The 5 rules to actually using this are pretty simple. Work in 4-hour candle most of the time. Never take a decision before seeing the first signal candle close. Wait for the second signal, the second candle after the signal to confirm the trend. And if there's a misinterpretation by the indicator, like the signal is green and then the next candle is red, wait for the third. Look at the volume and basic support resistance that can confirm the signal. So right here, we're looking at a misinterpretation by the indicator. You see that they waited for the next candle, but it's red. So the indicator tells us to sell. So we were waiting for the next one. If you wait, you see another red candle that can confirm the signal. If you are patient and wait more, you can see another red candle. Something is happening. Maybe we are going towards a bear trend. Yes, here's the bear trend. If you followed this indication, you can make 5% on the short. Here's the buy confirmation, because the signal is followed by 2 green candles. And again, you're seeing that red line, you're seeing the green line. Real simple stuff. I'm a simple guy when it comes to trading. I can follow green lines, I can follow red lines. I won't mess it up too bad normally. So again, on the top, you can make 10% even if you waited for the confirmation candle. I read this review that someone created on their platform, and on this, they were very happy with it, all revolving around Bitcoin. So basically, if you followed the signals in the last few months, and this is this time, which was several months ago when this was created, you would have sold at 10,000, re-entered at 8,000, sold at 9.3, and re-entered at 7,000. And here's the important part: is you would have sold the top at 10K before the huge move down all the way to 3,800. And what I think is interesting about some of these tools is not just about making gains daily, but it's also about preserving your wealth, preserving your coins. So if I can sell at 10K and then buy back in at 4K, well, that's quite an increase in your Bitcoins if you can sit on that and wait. And now here we are, back right around 10K yet again. Some of the proofs on Captializ show that they predicted a 145% long on Digibyte here. And they also predicted an 8% long right here on RavenCoin. And they predicted a 9% swing in Ethereum Classic, along with several other successful predictions here in their portfolio. So let's switch over to the BTC USD chart. We'll go ahead and take it this one. And again, you see we're working the 4-hour candles. We look at the chart here. For example, we dipped all the way down here, and it's on the next candle the confirmation hits, and you wait for the next candle to confirm that. And if you can get in at this buy signal, that's where the big percentage gain was to be made. And you can see, there's the top, and now we're starting to trend downward. And again, it recommends to sell here. And again, guys, I'm no guru here, and that's why I need to find and utilize tools like this, because I am not so experienced that I can just recognize these without the help of other tools like this. But I tell you what, again, I can follow green and red lines. I can definitely do that. I think they have a pretty interesting TradingView indicator here. And I like that the promises, the guarantees, it's not crazy. It's not double your money overnight and anything ridiculous like that. And oftentimes when you see services selling trading bots and stuff like that that are just managed in that function and method, they're following things like indicators similar to this. So it's just kind of whether you want to go ahead and kind of be that intermediary, because again, what's cool about this is that this is just an indicator. It doesn't take custody of your funds, no API nonsense, it's trading your funds, etc. Whatever. The point is that this is just an indicator, which is just a tool to help hopefully bring you more information to have you consider making certain trades at certain times. This can be applied to whatever charts that you want to apply it to, and reviewing it seems to make sense. So, as always, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Please hit the thumbs up, and please comment below and let us know, 1, what do you think about this indicator? 2, do you want us to go down the route more of trading and more videos like this and a little bit more TA stuff and just kind of going over the basics? Because to be honest, I still need to review the basics. So, let me know. I'll see you guys on the next video.